So it's January 12, 2021 at 7 p.m. This started a few hours ago after a 26-hour run and a 12-hour before that with minimal hours break. I saw Dr. Loveland today, general surgeon, I guess, that recommended to me by my thoracic cabinet. I'm not sure why I chose him. So we're going to do another, this time just a 24-hour pH manometry test, which means I have to have an implant in my esophagus surgery. Just my esophagus again. It's pretty damaged. They could do a reflux surgery because of how bad my esophagus is. So I guess we start the test over again. These guys don't know what they're doing. It's so much work. Trying to get help. It shouldn't be this hard. So maybe this guy sounds like he's gonna direct me in the right direction if he can't. Find me right, people. Just to reduce symptoms. That's all I'm searching for now. Hiccups. I don't think I'm gonna stop. Just to relieve the symptom. That's the goal. That's it's hard in itself. These guys are just too much, man. So it's Wednesday, January 15th, 2020. It's just started at kind of 1 o'clock and it's now 1:40 p.m. Getting a shot. Walgreens. Yeah.